In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Invoice Simple to create and send invoices with ease. Whether you're a freelance professional or running a small business, efficiently managing your invoices is essential for getting paid on time and keeping your records in order. Luckily, Invoice Simple offers a straightforward and user-friendly solution. Let's walk through the process together, so by the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently create and send an invoice in just a few steps. First, you want to ensure you're starting from the right place in your workflow. Open your Stripe dashboard and make sure you're in the correct account, whether it's your business account or a test account if you're just exploring for learning purposes. It's important to use the right environment during this process to prevent any confusion with your records and ensure your clients see only the finalized versions of your invoices. Now that you're set up, look for the option labeled Billing in your Stripe dashboard. Billing is where you will find all the essential tools related to managing your transactions. Click on Billing, and this will take you to the area of Stripe where you can handle everything from charges to invoicing. Once you're in the Billing section, select Invoices. The Invoices page is your hub for managing invoices for all your clientele. Here you can view your history of past invoices, check the status of recent ones, and also, most importantly, create new invoices. It's important to familiarize yourself with this section as it serves as the backbone for tracking your financial interactions. We can now move on to customizing your invoice, which is a crucial step to ensure it aligns with your business identity and the specific transaction you are billing for. You'll want to include all necessary information on your invoices, such as your business name, contact information, and payment terms, alongside a detailed list of services or products being billed. Adding your unique business logo and branding can give your invoices a more professional look and help reinforce your brand to clients. Your Stripe settings should present you with simple fields to fill out, each designed to make sure that every relevant piece of information is captured accurately. Take a moment to double-check details such as client information and item descriptions before proceeding. Accuracy here will save you time and effort later, preventing any potential need for revisions or clarifications. After you've ensured everything is accurate and complete, it's time to send your invoice. With just a click, you can send it directly to your client's email. This quick electronic delivery is not only environmentally friendly, but it also helps to speed up the payment process, getting your hard-earned money to you faster. And there you have it, a step-by-step walkthrough of using Invoice Simple to create and send invoices via Stripe. With these steps, you can ensure a professional presentation that makes it simple for your clients to complete their payments while solidifying